How to unblock people on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the friends section at the bottom of the screen and then let me show you by just blocking any random profile over here. As you tap on the profile, tap on the Bitmoji icon and then tap on three dotted lines. Here tap on manage friendship and then tap on block. Tap on block again and you have blocked that person. Now if you want to unblock it, what you have to simply do is tap on the search bar and then search for that person over here. Now when you block the particular person once, then you'll not be able to unblock them without sending them a friend request or sending them to follow them, and if they accept, only then you'll be able to unblock them or be friend. Otherwise you'll not be able to unblock by yourself on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.